If you are a Valorant game player and facing error code 51 Vatican liras, then this guide will help you fix the issue. When the error code strikes, the Riot Client acts up and Valorant refuses to let you load up a game. Error code VAL 51 in Valorant is usually caused by the Riot Client and not by the game itself. Here are some of the best workarounds that you can try out to fix error code VAL 51 in Valorant. Method 1. Restart the computer and relaunch Valorant. Your primary approach when dealing with errors involving games should be to restart the computer. In most cases, it's a trivial bug behind the problem, and a simple reboot will eliminate it. Once done, check if that fixes the VAL 51 error code. Method 2. Check server status. Another likely reason for the VAL 51 error code in Valorant is the issues with the server. To identify if that's causing the problem in your case, check the official Valorant website for any updates. Also, you can check with your friends or on gaming communities that exist on Reddit or Twitter. If there's a problem at the server's end, you wouldn't be the only one facing the error, and many might have posted about it. In case the servers are working fine, head to the next method to fix 51 Vatican liras error code in Valorant. Method 3. Check secure boot state only Windows 11. Press Windows key, then type system information, and press enter. Now, search for secure boot state and see if it's on. If it's on, move on to the next method. If not, turn it on by watching the video in the description. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Riot Client needs to connect with the server to be able to launch and let you play Valorant. It needs to have a good internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working fine by speed testing it. If your internet connection is good, restart your PC and launch the Riot Client again. Method 5. Terminate all Riot processes and restart the client. Open Task Manager on your PC and end all the processes in the name of Riot Client, Valorant, Vanguard, etc. Then, relaunch the Riot Client, which starts all the processes automatically. See if it has fixed the issue. Method 6. Restart the VGC service. Press Windows key, then type Services and launch the Services app. Scroll down and locate VGC. Right-click on VGC and select Properties. Go to Startup Types and select Disabled. Hit Apply and OK. Right-click on VGC again and select Properties. Go to Startup Type and this time, select Automatic. Double-click on VGC and hit the Start button to launch the service. Once the VGC service is up and running, try to launch a new party to see if the feature is now available. Method 7. Use a VPN or different network. A VPN lets you bypass error 51 in Valorant. While this is not a perfect fix, you can use this method especially if you already installed a VPN tool on your computer. If you won't use a VPN services, I recommend getting a free one. It should be more than enough to get the job done. If you're planning on using a VPN only to fix error 51 on Valorant, it's not worth purchasing a full-featured VPN. Method 8. Update Riot Client and Valorant. Check if there are any updates pending for Riot Client or Valorant and install them. If there are no updates available and the issue is not fixed, uninstall the game, and reinstall it. Any one of the above methods should help you fix the Valorant error code 19. If not, contact the Riot Games support team.